Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to speed up Google Chrome downloads on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open up Google Chrome. We need to check where Chrome is up to date. To do this, go to three dot icon, select settings. On left side, you just need to select about Chrome. In here it will be automatically updating your Chrome guys. Wait for it. This is updating Chrome. Now you just need to click on relaunch. Chrome is up to date. After getting this message, search here reset. You just need to scroll down. Reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and select reset settings guys. After doing this, you just need to click on this three dot icon and select extensions and select manage extensions. Remove all unwanted extension in here guys. After removing it, you just need to check my video description for this URL used in my video. You just need to copy and paste it in the site, and now in search flags you just need to search for parallel downloading. You just need to select this to enabled and accelerate download speed guys. This will help you to increase the download speed guys. Click on relaunch to changes take effect. After doing these steps, you will definitely see the Chrome download speed has been increased now. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.